Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who don't know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today we are going to do my BoxyCharm unboxing. Yeah. I want to know what's in this box. I literally just took the tape off and all of that. I want to know what's in here because I'm hoping there's a couple of items I can also slip into the giveaway for you guys. I am planning on doing that giveaway come August. I don't know when in August. So yeah, I'm gonna do it early because I can't wait. I want to share this stuff with you. I have a couple of palettes that I'm going to pick up from BH Cosmetics. That should be here. That will go into that giveaway. Plus going to hopefully pick up a few more items for it. I want the giveaway to be huge. So just so you guys know. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I'm not even going to look at this, but there are a couple of coupons that I will put in the description box. Wander Beauty has 20% off and Farmacy has 20% off also. I will put those in my description box for you guys if you would like to use them and you don't have BoxyCharm. So the first thing I see is from Note. This is their Luminous Silk Compact Blusher. I want to see what this looks like. Come on. Come on! It doesn't want to release it. I kind of like... Very nice. Ooh. That's a pretty blush. Okay. I'm keeping this one. Wow. That is a blush color. I like it though. It's pretty. Okay. That'll be a product I can definitely use. The next thing I see in here is the Farmacy Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. Ooh. This sounds nice. How much? There's 50 milliliters, 1.7 fluid ounces. Made exclusively for BoxyCharm. Very nice. Oh, I want to tell you guys how much the stuff is. Okay. So the Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blusher is $11.99. The Farmacy Beauty Bright On Mask is $38 normally. So there you go. Next, we have the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Brow Cream. So this is probably not something I'm going to be interested in. This, by the way, is $26. This I will be putting in the giveaway. The next thing I see here is the Wonder Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. I kind of want... Okay, I'm probably going to keep this just so you guys know. It's $24 normally. I like the wand. Everyone has been talking about the wand and I just hadn't seen it. Totally excited to try it. I also like that it's like in a squeezy tube. It's kind of cool because I feel like you would be able to know how much product is in there. I could be wrong, but that's exciting. So that is going to be something that I keep. And then the next thing is the Crown Brush eyeshadow palette. And I'm going to open it up. This is normally $29.99. It's the Fuego eyeshadow collection. I'm going to put this in the giveaway because I think I already have shades like this from what I kind of saw in sneak peeks. Yes. So I'm going to remove this really quick just to show you guys. I'm not going to swatch it, but that is what the palette looks like, and this will be in the giveaway. So one lucky winner will get to have this eyeshadow palette, as well as the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Brow Cream. So that I think is pretty exciting. I'm going to put it back in the unicarton after I open both sides of the unicarton. But yeah. Well, that is my BoxyCharm unboxing. I will let you guys know how I like the Bright On Mask, the Note Blush, as well as the Wander Beauty Mascara. Ugh, don't let me talk, okay? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. It does mean a lot to me. I love interacting with you guys down below, so please and thank you. This is going to be video number 2 for today, so I hope you guys enjoy it. I got my box and I thought I'd share it with you guys. Well, thanks again and bye!